Okay guys, so you see, he is lightly browning the chicken. And I will show you how lightly brown it is. I wanted to. Because I want something that, you see guys, pag kinain mo yung chopsuey na ito, you could taste something na kakaiba ang taste niya. It's not really commonly as tasted as the fried. Kung nakikita mo guys, malalaki. It's like the chop or fried chicken. You see, I chopped the fried chicken, and I will tell you why I am doing this. Just keep on watching. You see guys, kaya ako ginaganyan yan guys, kasi I will show you that this is so much different than the rest. You see, kakaiba kasi siya guys. I want this chopsuey is not really commonly seen or not even seen yet. Right, Kevin? Oh yes, it is really something different. It's only now that I see this kind of cooking. Huh? Is this your first time to see how the chopsuey is cooked? Oh yes, it's really first time for me. This is not the way the chopsuey is cooked. Yes, Kevin. Because I want this, our chopsuey is something new, something different, and it will something that will excel and be excellent. Oh, what a nice draw! How good you are in cooking! How good you are in cooking! Oh, heaven, it's all to the glory of God. Alam mo, heaven, before we start, we pray first. Okay, you see this leg? This is just enough, you see? This kind of frying, guys, is just really so enough. I don't want to be more. You see? Nakikita nyo? This is so enough for me. Yan. This is so enough. You see that? Enough lang, guys. Okay, guys. He's, again, frying the rest. And then, i-add pa niya yung iba. Here is, guys, I will show you. Yan. He is adding the chicken wings. You see guys, because usually the chopsuey is that one's okay guys. This one is okay. Yeah, this one. You see guys, I will have a close up. You see how it is? Yeah, yan guys ang habol ko. This one. If you see that it is like cooked like that, then that's the perfect taste I want. And then kukuha ko siya ulit guys. So here. The chicken wings. Yes guys, and then we will drop it to the ang kuwan ko dito, ang oil ko guys is 1 cup. I took about 1 cup of cooking oil. So ang purpose ko guys is so the chicken can really be fried lightly well. Okay, only light guys, kasi alam niyo guys, hindi pa yan talaga dito. It is only half cooked. Okay guys, you see that? And okay, you see that one, okay, that one, this one guys, okay. You see guys, yeah guys, this is how I like it. You see, this is how I like it. Yay! Did you see that, Hayden? Oh yes, it is so very fragrant. Oh yes, it is really so fragrant. Here guys, kukuha na naman siya ng isa. You see, this is one whole chicken. This is about 1.5 kilograms. Malaki ito guys for a chopsuey. But you see, ang purpose ko naman dito guys is that you can set aside the food for 2 meals if you want that. But if you want only half, pwede rin siya guys. But I just want to cook it one whole kasi malaki ang family dito guys. Maraming tao dito. You see guys, do you see guys, if you are here, you can really smell how fragrant is the chicken. Mabango siya guys. Yan ang habol ko. Ang bango niya. So, okay guys, this is what I wanted. The smell of halfly cooked fried chicken. No, this is chicken. Okay, halfly cooked. You see guys, you see how it is so bubbling. The oil is keep on bubbling. You see, to cook the chicken. Okay guys, alam mo guys, why I wanted this whole chicken done pressed chicken. But guys, I will show you how. This is the boneless part. Yeah, this one I show you. This is cut stripe, the boneless pressed part chicken. You see that? This is the pressed part chicken. This is the yan guys ang parte na ihahalo ko. But you know why guys I use chicken with bones kasi usually guys the chopsuey is boneless. Wala kang bone dyan. The way I check the box, their chicken were boneless. Wala silang buto kasi ano sila, chicken breast. Okay? But me, I put it a little twist so that ayaw kunin ng bones guys. You know why guys? The bone ay malasa. Bone is tastier. The meat is tastier with bone. Nalala nyo guys, yung mga pares-pares, yung mga bulalo, di ba? They have bones because it is the bones that give something tastier and then tastiest to the soup. Kaya dun, ito yung hinahabol ko guys, the bones of the chicken will add something flavor to the chicken. Kasi yung wala siyang bone. Okay guys, I will show you the other ingredients here. I'm moving the camera. You see? Okay guys, here is the ingredients. I will show you the ingredients. These are the ingredients guys. This is garlic. You see? This is minced garlic. This is one whole pot. Hindi ako nagtitipid ng garlic guys. Buo yan, isang buo. And this is two whole chicken. You see guys? This is the two whole chicken. And what is this guys? This is ground. You see, this is ground black pepper. And you know what, guys? Yung kakaiba dito. This is ano din ito, guys? This is crack ito na pepper. Ito yung mga buo-buo na crack. Pero if you don't have it, yung mga buo, yung ganito, guys. I will show you mine here. Ito guys. Ito yung buo na to. Itong buo na to. You can durug yan. Pero may nabibili guys na something like this. Okay? And you know what? What's my sauces? This is patis. This is about the 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup lang ito guys. And there's my soy sauce is 1/4 cup. And I have these chicken cubes. One, and this is big tin, and this is granulated. Alam niyo na ito guys, I don't want to mention. Alam niyo na ito, I don't want to mention the product, but this is something for season. Granulated ito. Alam ko mahulaan niyo kung ano to. I don't want to say the kasi may kalaban ito. Kung walang kalaban sana, sasabihin ko, may kalaban siya. But these are optional, okay? These are optional. This big tin, you see? This is optional. You can use this, or those who don't like MSG, you can skip it. Or this is also optional. Ang tatlo na ito guys, optional. But if you use this together, your chopsuey will really be tastier. Diba, Heaven? Oh yes, that's very nice. You see guys, I'm showing these ingredients so you will know. Now we're going back to the frying process. You see, the frying process. It's here guys. You see, yan, tinatanggal niya guys. You see that, how it is good and cooked. Halfly cooked. Hindi pa yan luto guys. Okay guys, he's going to remove it kasi lightly brown na siya guys. This is what I wanted. So, he will take it out. Okay, we'll take it out. Okay, ganyan. Medyo inaano lang, hinahalo lang ng konti. And then, we will remove it from there to here. Okay. Did you like it, Heaven? Oh yes, it's very, very nice. It's so nice. You see, it's moving out, and moving out. Okay. You see guys, you see how it is being explained step by step and very simple, right, Heaven? Oh yes, it's so simple. You see guys, this is it. Yan na yan guys. You see? Yan na yan guys. This is what I wanted. Okay guys, we are going to reduce this. Okay, kasi mag-ano na tayo guys. Yan, I will move it somewhere here. And then magtitira ka lang ng about 1/4 guys. Only 1/4 cup. Yan, just enough. Okay, just enough that you can you see guys, nakita nyo? You can before that guys, you will still fry the liver. Where's the liver? Stir fry the liver. Okay. Ito guys ang liver. This is 1 kilo guys. Marami ito. You see guys, this is 1 kilo. So I'm going to fry this all. Pero guys, hindi yan kumamit ka ng 1/4, 1/2. Depende. I'm frying it guys. You see? We are still frying it. I'm still frying it. Okay? Okay? And then, ililipat yan dito sa, okay, i-stir fry muna to. Banlawan yung lalagyan. Okay. And then guys, so we are stir frying it. You see the fire? See? Yan ang fire niya guys. But the fire must be malakas. Yan, nilakasan ko. You know why? Para mabilis tayo makaluto guys. You see? Okay. So, kasi sa barko guys, sanay ako na mabilis. Okay, stir fry. Stir fry na muna yan. I want it to stir fry. Iba ito sa adobo. Kasi ito, in-stir fry to. Okay guys, you are stir frying it until it is cooked. Pero nakita mo guys, mas binawasan ko yung oil niya. Why? Because I don't want that the liver will consume more oil. So mas konti lang ang oil niya. Kasi the tendency is there guys, the liver might absorb so much oil. And we don't want that our food will be oily, right, Taven? Oh, yes! Yes, bro! It's not good to much oil! It's not healthy! Hindi daw healthy, sabi ni Taven na maraming oil. Yeah, you're correct, Kevin! It's not good too much oil! So we will live happily, longer, happy life! Wala tayong mga sakit! Because guys, minimize the oil kasi oil is some fat, but you or some people there that are so conscious about oil, pwede kayo gumamit ng olive oil, extra virgin oil, but that is quietly so much expensive. Pero kung mayayaman naman kayo dyan, why not? Right, David? Oh, yes! Many rich people out there! Oh, yes, rich people! Share naman ang richness nyo sa mga hungry people now. Mag-share naman kayo ng inyong blessings. Share hungry people out there. Share the blessings. Share the good vibes. Oh, God, it's a good encouragement for the rich. You see, guys, we need to share. Kasi alam mo naman, guys, God bless us not only for ourselves, but also for others. Right? Right, David? Oh, yes, you're so correct. Okay, guys, you see, I am still frying it lightly. Now, guys, he will transfer it here. Okay? He will transfer it with the sauce. Okay, guys? Ibuhos mo na yan. Buhos mo na. You see, guys, ibubuhos na niya with the sauce. Kasi may sauce dyan, guys. Okay? That sauce is good for our mamaya. Yan, guys. You see? And he is transferring it here. And now, okay, guys. So, ubusin na yan. Okay, ubusin niya. And then, this same pan, ay papainitin niya para dito tayo ng garlic and onion. Dito na tayo gagawa, guys. But before doing it, guys, we are going to first dry it up. Kasi medyo nagano siya, guys. You see? Medyo nag-fluid siya. And then, guys, the liver has a little fluid but not enough for us to, ito guys, maglalagay na tayo ng about 1/4 ulit. Okay? You see? Okay, this is for the garlic and onion. Okay guys, painitin natin because Guys, you know yung kawali na ito, napakaganda. Meron pa ako nitong iba dyan. And I can share you with this kawali, this pan, because this is very good. Isipin mo guys, so, sumusok agad. Okay, pour on the best, yan, ibubuhos na niya yung garlic. You see, he's putting the garlic, kasi ni-stir fry na niya guys. You see, yan, and I want it to be brown. Okay, I want it to be brown. Yan, gusto ko siya maging brown siya. Kasi guys, ang bango, grabe. It's really so mabango. Wow! You see guys, you see? He's still frying it, You see? Ang galing guys, ang ganda. Ang bango-bango guys, ang bango-bango. It's really so fragrant. You see? Okay guys, he's browning it, I'm browning it. Guys, I'm browning it. Okay guys, you see? And then, ang ganda guys, you see that? Okay, wow, you see? Guys, ang ganda ng kawali. Alam mo ba kung anong ang kaganda ng kawali? Masyado ka makaka-save ng gas because it's really browning so fast. You see, nakita nyo guys, oh, diba? Okay guys, you see, he is browning. Kasi ang garlic, kailangan talaga brown guys. You see, don't brown the garlic. It's okay. Okay pa rin yan. It's your choice, your technique. May kanya-kanya tayong choice. May kanya-kanya tayong technique. Right? Yes. Right, Evan? Yes. And then, sunod yan, onion na guys. Because it's being lightly brown. Grabe guys, ang bango. You see, okay, he's pouring out that. Wow. You see? Okay. Ang habol natin dito guys is lightly luto lang you see how nice it is. Wow, it's so nice. Ang bango ng onion. You see, the onion smells so fragrant, right Evan? Oh yes, the onion smells fragrant. O sipin mo, ang bango daw ng onion, sabi ni Haven. You see the fire? Guys, kung gaano kalakas yan. I do it so fast and so quick. Kasi sanay talaga ako na mabilis na luto. Kasi guys, after that, okay, mas madali kasi ang after guys that, we will bring back this one. Okay, babalik na natin to. Yan. Did you remember yan? Okay, babalik na natin lahat yan guys. But guys, that is optional ha. Kasi you can make it 1/2 kilo. But I make the whole chicken. Dahil ang laki ng family dito. But guys, hindi ko ito ilalagay muna. Okay? No, madudurog siya pag ilagay ko. Okay? And then guys, we will add water. Maglalagay na tayo ng water. And then, okay guys, ang water na ilalagay ko dyan ay, okay, you get that bowl, kukunin niya yung bowl na yan, and then there's a bowl there, okay, magsusukat ka ng isa hanggang sa, I will show you kung hanggang kailan ang tubig dito, kasi guys, there is, what is this, must-have sauce, okay, kailangan may sauce ito. Sige, buhos. Then, pouring out water! You see guys, it's gonna I want more. Isa pa guys, I want more. You know why I want more? At kailangan maluto kasi ang chicken dito. Because we are going the simmering of the chicken. Okay? You see guys, I'm going the simmering of the chicken. Guys, just I told you, pwede to 1/2. Okay, one more bowl. Okay, yan guys, sige, yan. Because why there's a lot of water here? Dahil guys, ang manok marami. Okay, if you only cook about 1/2 chicken or 1/2 kilo or kalahati dun sa 1.5 or depends sa dami ng chicken nyo, ganyan din kadami ang water nyo. Okay, and then it will really overflow the chicken. You see that guys? Okay, nakikita nyo, ang dami ng water. Nagaano siya guys, the water is about to, you see guys, you see, the water is about to, you see that? Nakikita mo yung water? Ang dami, di ba? This is 2 bowl. Yung bowl na yon, estimate nyo na lang. Then estimate nyo na lang yung water, guys. Ito. Kita nyo, guys. Ha? You see, the difference of the water is slightly brown din siya. Nakita nyo? It's slightly brown. At ang sarap nito, guys. This is very, very tasty. Or tastier, even tastiest. Dahil dito. And then, guys, we are going to simmer that. And now, the cover we put on. Okay, guys. Yan. Ika-cover na niya. Okay, yan. Yan, guys. You see? And we will simmer it. Okay. Guys, here, tumutulo na siya. Yes, guys. It's simmering now. And while it is simmering, guys, we are going one by one adding those ingredients. Ano una natin dito, guys? We are going to put on the patis. Right? This is the patis. Okay. Yes! Patis! Right? And then, we are going... Okay, guys, he's pouring the soy sauce! You see, guys, so very yummy! You see? Wow! You see, guys, it's very yummy! Yan, galing, guys. You see how very tasty it is. Then, guys, what's the next? The next is he will pour on, what is this? Itatak-tak niya, guys, itong ground pepper! Woo! Pero, guys, since na hindi ko yan pwede gamitan ng peppercorn, I use this cracked pepper! Yes, guys, diba? Yan, cracked pepper yan, see? Kasi hindi ko siya ginamitan, guys, ng buo. Kasi hindi siya adobo. Right, David? Oh, yes. You cannot put it on. It's not adobo. Yes, sabi ni Evan, hindi daw. And then, guys, lastly, you will add this. Pero, guys, may secret ako, And then, lastly is this. You see? Idadagdag niya yung volume. Yan, lahat yan, guys. Sabay-sabay na, guys. Yan. Wow. MSG. You see, guys? Lalagay na yung MSG. Yan. You see? Wow. It blends there. Sarap yan, guys. You see, how watery it is. Kasi, ang chicken, nag-juice out pa rin yan, guys. You see? Nag-juice out pa rin. You see? How very nice. Napakaganda. And then, guys, I have a secret! You see, guys, ang secret ko ay dito ko ilalagay. Ang secret ko, I will show you, guys. Saan ko ilalagay? Dito ko ilalagay ang aking secret! Diyan, guys, sa lapang laman, guys. Suspense! Thrill! Yes, you see, guys, ang ganda ng kanyang lalagyan. I will put the secret here! Kaya lang, guys, naghanap ako ng napakagandang lalagyan. So, you will see my secret later! Suspense yan, guys. Hindi ko muna i-ano. You see that, guys? So very nice it is. See? And then, guys, you see, wow! Ang galing, guys. You see the fire? Ang lakas ng fire, di ba? Yeah, I'm doing it, the fire, to be very, very hot. Para mabilis na, guys, ang luto. Kasi you know, guys, what time is it? Yes, like, tutabot kita, guys, sa time. You see what time it is? The time is... What's the time? Well, you see, guys, it's the time. Mag-i-8 na, guys. Mag-i-8 lang tayo. Ito tayo na, dinner na namin. Dapat, guys, you see the time. Dapat, guys, ang aming dinner is sa table back to the one. Guys, ang dapat kasi, guys, see, ang dapat kasi, guys, ang aming dinner is about 6:30. Okay, you see there? Wow, guys, ang sarap po. You see, guys, it's really good to travel ko kayo, guys, because I'm doing 2 camera. You see, another one that. Okay, you see, I'm doing 2. You see, guys, I'm doing 2. Dalawa yan, guys. This is the iPhone 11. Luma pa yan, guys. Luma na yan. Kasi may mga bago naman. Well, that's the other one. The oil that I separated. You know, guys, you see. Wow. You see, guys, I'm traveling you so you can see how nice it is. You see? Wow! Yummy, yummy! Right there, it's yummy. Woo! Yes! So yummy, yummy! So yummy! You see, guys, I'm traveling you. You see? Ito yung isang camera, guys. You see? Yan. I'm also using iPhone 11! iPhone 11 lang yun, guys. Kasi may iPhone 12 na yun. Yes, yes! Yes! It's very nice! You see, guys, we are simmering it. Simmering, simmering, simmering! Sinisimmer namin, guys. You see. We are simmering that. And then after that, guy, after simmering that, okay, he's simmering, simmering, simmering! After that, guy, simmering, okay, we are going to set aside it for the, what is this? For the vegetables! Yes, guys, now, what's the next? Guys, the next is, eto, yung liver. Idadagdag na yung liver. Okay? The liver will be added on it. Yeah, okay, yan. Pinalagay na niya. This guys, how beautiful. Wow! It's nice, you see? Dinagdag na yan. Guys, ang dami nito kasi malaki kaming family here. But, if you want to tipid, you can do 1/4 chicken, 1/2 chicken, and then ang liver naman, you can do 1/4 liver, 1/2 kilo liver, kasi 1 kilo yan plus 1.5. You see, gano'ng karami, oh. Yan palang ulam na. You see, guys? Now, guys, so ang gagawin ngayon, guys, ay magdidis. Okay, guys, now, we are going to yung secret na, guys. Yes, yung secret, guys. Teka, secret. Yung secret, guys. Here is the secret. Here's the secret, guys. What is this? Okay, this is mamaya na, guys, para okay, so ibubuhos na niya to. Okay, lalagay na niya. Kasi, guys, what is that secret? Mamaya sasabihin ko, guys. Woo! That is 1/2 teaspoon only, guys. 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, guys, that's my secret. Hindi ko muna, guys, sasabihin para naman may thrill. Mamaya ako na sasabihin, guys. Mamaya na. I will tell my secret at plating time. Sasabihin ko, guys, yung secret ko. Mamaya plating time. Kung ano yung nilagay ko para naman may thrill. Okay, guys. Now, you see, guys, the sauce. Ngayon, ibubuhos na niya yung cornstarch, okay? This cornstarch is 4 tablespoon, okay? 4 tablespoon yan, guys. Okay, ano to, guys, 4 tablespoon of cornstarch and water is just enough to melt it. Ngayon, ibubuhos niya, guys. Okay, ibubuhos na. You see that? After that, guys, lalapot yan. Okay? Okay, inahalo na niya. Yes. Okay, guys, inahalo na niya. And then, I'm moving out. Yan, dinaanan ko, guys, yung camera. Yes! You see? Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys, it is that one ay na-simmer na. Sinisimmer na. After that, guys, it's tikim time! Okay, guys, it's tikim time. And then, titikman na niya. Okay, guys, it's tikim time. Okay, guys, hinaan ko lang. You see how you see, guys, makikita mo yan, okay? You see, guys, it's tikim time. Titikman ko to. Wow! Super yummy! And then, guys, i-move ko to. Okay, you see, guys, ito yung vegetables niya. Okay? This is the sayote. This is the carrots, cauliflower, and then ito, guys, yung pinaghiwa-hiwa ko diyan sa gitna ng repolyo. Okay, this is the cabbage and this is the chicharo. Ano ito, Lord? Ito guys, yung mga tinatapon na ito usually guys. Okay? Yung mga tinatapon na yan na ginawa ko ay aking pinagliit-liit ko guys para maging vegetable siya. Okay? Ngayon, ang unahin natin sa lahat, ito matigas. Ito ang ating unahin. Okay guys, sige, ito ngayon, ang uunahin niya. Okay, uunahin niya yan guys. Okay, sige. Yes guys, sige, unahin niya yan. Okay. Yan. Unahin niya yan pag-stir fry guys. Okay. Binabad yan guys. Binabad yan guys sa tubig. Para at least, malinis ka. Okay. Malinis ka, malinis. You see guys, ito yung mga tinatapon. You see, ito yung mga tinatapon na hindi pa natin gawing gulay. Ito yung mga tinatapon nito guys, without knowing, ito yung pinaka-vitamina, ito yung sauce guys. Ito yung mga pinaka-mabitamina. So guys, ay, kailangan lakasan ng apoy. Okay, you see the fire guys. Kailangan pinakamalakas. You see. Yes guys, so i-stir fry niya. Stir frying it. Okay guys, so yan, kinuha niya yung kuwan doon sa kabila. And then, pwede na yan kahit ikuwan na. You don't need to wash it guys, kasi may lasa yan. Okay, he will be stir frying it muna hanggang maging malambot siya. Diba? Okay guys, we are going to taste. Sarap guys! Konti pa guys, konti pa. You know what? Why I want konti pa? Kasi meron tayong cauliflower. The cauliflower is, although malaki ang cauliflower compared to cabbage, pwede na rin. Konti lang. Guys, masarap. Alam mo ba kung bakit? Yung oil, may flavor. May flavor ng chicken. Okay yan. Guys, ang technique dito, papatayin ko na. You see, the fire is off. Ang init niya, magluluto pa yan. Okay, ang kagandahan nito guys, kasi dry siya, wala siyang water, madali siyang mag-cool, madali siyang lumamig. Kasi ang palalamigin lang dyan, yung gulay, wala nang palalamigin ng fluid or salt or water. Kaya ang gulay, hindi mo overcook. Right guys? Now, it's the plating time! Guys, ito na ako sa ito na ako sa sharing with the Bible But I have the other story and I can explain more about the verse. But you see guys, my sharing there is, if you are with God, unli ka in everything. Hindi mauubos ang resources mo. If you read yung widow na ang sabi ng prophet na i-collect daw yung lahat ng mga jars ng neighbors at i-pour ang oil, hindi maubos-ubos yung oil. Ang naubos lang nilagyan. And if you remember also, one of the prophet there, si Isaiah ba yun? Yung widow, sabi niya, last ng pagkain nila, inanghihingi ang prophet ng pagkain. Sabi niya, pag ibigay ko pa to sabi niya na, pag itong pagkain na ito, last na to, sa amin magina. Pag kinain namin na to, wala na kami pagkain. Baga, we are waiting for our death. Kamatayan na lang yung time namin, kasi wala na kami pagkain. Pero anong sinabi ng prophet of God? Prepare the food, ako munang bigyan mo. Alam mo nung sinunod ng widow, hindi naubos ang kanilang pagkain. Ang kanilang harina, ang everything sinid, hindi naubos. It becomes unli. Kasi famine noon, tagtuyo yung pagkain doon sa Israel. So, pinapanis kasi ni God ang Israel that time. Kaya God panis, even some people, some chosen nation. Right guys? So, if you want to hear more about the scriptures, my preaching, my sharing, go to the other channel. Kasi doon ko na nasasabi lahat ng gusto kong sabihin. Ito kasi short version ito. Para sa doon sa mga gusto lang na maiksi. Yun guys, patay na ang apoy niyan. Wala nang apoy, but still nag-i-stir fry pa. You see guys, now we go to the plating time! Okay. got some flour. Yan, tatak natin yan. You see? Oh, nice. You see, oh, nice. You see that? Oh, very nice, right? Right, it's very nice.